Housing trends for 2025. San Diego homeowners, if you're thinking about refreshing your space or selling in 2025, here are the hottest and latest home trends you should know about. Open floor plans. They're taking a back seat, and cozier, more defined spaces are making a comeback. Think warm, inviting instead of a giant open layout. Sustainability is bigger than ever. More buyers want homes with solar panels, whole home battery systems, and energy efficient upgrades, perfect for San Diego's sunny climate. Another trend that we're seeing more and more of: nostalgia. We're seeing vintage decor, statement wallpaper, and warm, natural materials making a strong return. And of course, technology is playing a huge role. Smart kitchens, AI-powered lighting, and even voice-controlled showers are becoming a thing. I don't know about that, but that's what we're seeing. Whether you're buying or you're selling in San Diego, keeping up with the trends can help boost your home's value. Want to chat about your home's potential? Let's connect.